Hey there, everyone. Welcome. It's Claudia. How are you? Welcome to class today. Listen, we've got a 20-minute workout. We're going to work for 20 minutes. Warm up, workout is about 15 minutes, and we're going to cool it down, and that's it. Now, this workout is meant for a few people. Small spaces. We're only going to be on this mat. Arms out. You've got that much space, you have enough space to do this workout. This is a no jump workout. It's going to be HIIT style, but there is no jumping involved. Yay! My favorite. I love a no jump workout, but it's going to be deadly. 2 rounds, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds to transition and or rest. I'll offer options along the way. Let's not waste any more time. We need to get the warm up in. Let's start moving around. So, let's just come to a march. Let's move those feet. You're on your mat. We're not coming off the mat, okay? Take the feet wide. Move the arms. We just want to get the blood flowing. I'm in a yoga space today. I chose to work without socks and shoes because we're not moving with any type of equipment. It's just body weight only. All right, let's just move the body, bring an arm around. We're already 40 seconds in. How about we take a reach? This is a great workout, like I said. If you are part of my crew, we are the headset crew, right? Call center people, you work in a call center, you're sitting all day, you work from home, this is your workout. Take 20 minutes of your lunch break. Do this workout with me, go back to work, feeling better. Let's start to move the legs behind us, little butt kick here. Move those arms. I don't care, guy, girl, this is your workout. All right, take 20 minutes of that lunch break. You work from home, get this done, then eat lunch. You'll make different choices after you've worked out. Let's stand still and just circle the arms back. I'm sorry, the shoulders back. Just find some rotation here. Turn the head. Now we don't want to overdo it here. We're just turning the head. You may have been looking straight forward the whole time you've been at work. Good. Roll the shoulders back. Let's take an arm back. Just got about 40 seconds here before we begin our workout. So like I said, 15 seconds of work, and then we've got 45 seconds of work, and then we've got a transition into 15 seconds there to get to the next exercise. We've got 2 rounds. Take those arms forward. Oh, this feels good. Feels good. Reach up. Reach behind. Lengthen. That's our 3 minutes. So remember, we're spending all of our time on the mat. Stop our timer. Let's get to our workout here. So I'm going to count you down, and I'm going to bring your first exercise, which is a sumo squat. And we're going to pulse in that sumo squat. All right? Pulsing in the sumo squat. So let me start your timer. 15 seconds. To get ready for that sumo squat. So we're taking our feet wide, we're turning our toes out, and we're gonna stay in that squat and pulse for 45 seconds. How low you go will depend on you. 45 seconds here. Remember, we're not coming off the mat, lift the chest. The arms are too much, place them on the thighs. Get as low as you can. Little pulses. Engage the core, relax the shoulders. Maybe the hands are closer. The further away the hands are from the body, the more challenging this work is going to be. Got 12 seconds. 12 seconds until we transition, and we're transitioning into a plank, all right? So you'll be on your knees or toes, your choice. That was 45 seconds. We transition now into a plank. I'm still on the mat. So from this position or from this position, we're gonna pike up and tap and return. Ready? Let's do it. Pike up, tap, return. Tap, return. Always coming back to that plank position with a strong body. Reach and return. This is too much. Hold the plank for 45 seconds. Come on, we can do this. We get to transition. We are now moving onto lateral lunges with a knee drive. So I've got time to show you. I'm going to lunge and drive up. Lunge and drive up. Now I'm taking my hands away from the body. You can have your hands here. We're just working on one side for this round. Maybe you tap. The leg doesn't drive up. That's it. Steady she goes. Use those hands if needed, right? Lunge out. Come on up. Maybe lunge and tap. We're working the core, not just the legs. This is full body here. Let's transition. We're not doing the other side. We're coming into slow motion, mountain climber. So back into that plank position again. When I say slow motion, I mean slow. So this is my slow motion mountain climber. You might be moving slower than this. This might be you, but whatever you're doing, we're not bouncing, we're not running, we're focused on placing the foot back down on the ground. Eyes forward, please. 17 seconds. Five seconds. Nice. Let's transition. We're going back to a squat with a hold, and this time we're going to do some shadow boxing. So find your squat wherever you want it. I like to take it wide here. Bring the dukes up. Let's punch. I want you to think of me punching one spot out there in space. One punch after another. Fingers in, thumbs on top. Chest up, chin up, hips down. Belly in. You go as fast as you like. You go as slow as you like. But there's no bouncing. There's no running. Transition. Woo. So we're coming down to a side plank. You know how much I love a side plank. So I'm gonna double up here. I'm gonna set my elbow under my knee. I'm gonna set myself up. And here I am. And I don't get that much space today because we're on the mat and we're staying on the mat. Side plank. Maybe you're here holding a 45-second side plank. Yes, 45 seconds. Did I mention that? This is the end of round one when we finish this plank. Eyes forward, pick up the hips, pull in the core. That's it. Hang on, team. You got this. You can do this. Good. You got 15 seconds. Here comes round two. Back to the beginning. That sumo squat with the pulse. So I'm showing this workout today with no equipment. Next time you see it, it's going to have equipment. We pulse. 45 seconds. Chest up. Arms out. Or arms here. Or arms here. Where do you want your arms? Eyes open. Yeah, that's it. Put your smile on. Breathe. Breathe, everybody. We got this. 20 seconds. I know. We want to be turning those knees out, turning the toes out. I know. Second round's always the hardest, but the second round means that we're almost done. 3, 2, 1. We're going to transition to that plank. You're either holding a 45-second plank from your hands or from your hands and knees, or you're planking and tapping the knee. Remember how we did this? Game on. Tap, plank, tap. We're alternating. We're always coming back to that plank. For some of you, you might be reaching further than the knee. Maybe for the shin. Maybe you're reaching the ankle, depending on your flexibility. That's it. Work. Take rest when you need. That's it. One more. Nice. Let's transition to a lateral lunge with knee drive. We did that side. We're on this side now, right? So we're gonna lunge. Drive up. Now one of these sides is going to be the good side, and the other side is going to be the side. That's the real challenge. This is my challenge side. My trail leg is nice and long. This is full body here. We're training the legs. We're training the core, we're training your balance, you're looking at a head. You're finding something to look at that isn't moving. Remember, hands can be here. Let's transition. Slow motion, mountain climber. Ready? Let's climb. Now the thing with the fast moving mountain climber is you don't get to focus on all that's moving. When you're here, doing it slowly, you realize this is real work, especially without all that bouncing. And take a break when you need, right? I can't stress that enough. If you're new to my class, welcome. We're gonna hit the like and subscribe button. Let's transition. Woo. Listen, it's that shadow box. Yeah, we're already there. Turn the toes out. You're coming down into a squat again. Punch. Chest up, hips drop. Maybe you're up here with your squat. I'm gonna try and get a little lower. I want you to feel the burn of the lower body and the burn of the shoulders and the arms. We're not locking the arm when we come out. We've got a soft elbow at the end of that punch. Get lower. Nice. It's a side plank. Our last exercise. I'm gonna double up here. Now, 3, 2, 1, side plank. I'm gonna try this side from my toes for as long as I can. You know me, side plank is my weakness. I like to try them out as often as possible to get stronger, especially with 2 legs straight. Yeah. If you've got your knee bent, you're doing just fine. Hold your plank. Come on, 16 seconds. This is it. We're gonna cool down after this. 9, 8. Listen, here it is, here it is. All right. Nice. We made it. How about we do a child's pose? Yeah? Here, stretch. We made it, team. Congratulations. This is your opportunity to hit the like button, hit the subscribe. You don't want to miss these workouts. They're posted every Wednesday. Let's reach forward, lengthen the body, support, and let's find a quadricep stretch here. Now, if you have more time, you could do this again. Right back to the beginning and do it again. Other side. We're finding the flexibility of the front of the leg as well as the hip flexor. Nice. Listen, let's stay on the ground in your small space. I'm just going to put myself off to the side. And let's just bring the soles of the feet together. Find your flexibility here. You might not have the flexibility that I have. Work with what you have. Just leaning forward a little bit. For some of you, you might have more flexibility. Take it. How about we lengthen the back of the legs? Soften the knees if you need. Let the belly rest on the thighs first. Let the low back feel the love. And if you can, go ahead and lengthen. Nice. All right, let's pick it up to standing. One more stretch. Just opening up the back body here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Silent but deadly. That's what it was. Silent but deadly. Last stretch. All right. Remember, we're never looking for perfection. We're always progressing for something more and something better in every workout. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.